Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of must-have woodworking tools that will take your projects to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend DIYer, these tools are absolute game changers. Let's jump right in.
Number 1. The 101.6mm 4-inch carbide Forstner bit by Seneb is a game changer for anyone passionate about precision woodworking. Its 2.0mm thickness and YG8 carbide tips ensure durability and sharpness, making it ideal for creating clean, smooth holes in wood, plywood, and even plastic. Whether you're installing hinges, crafting furniture, or working on intricate projects, this bit delivers flawless results every time. What sets this Forstner bit apart is its ability to minimize splintering while maintaining accuracy, even on challenging materials. The sharp carbide edges glide effortlessly, reducing effort and saving time on every cut. Its robust construction means it can withstand heavy-duty use, making it a reliable tool for professionals and DIYers alike. The bit is also designed for compatibility with a variety of drill presses and handheld drills, adding versatility to its list of benefits. It's perfect for users who demand efficiency without compromising quality. From hobbyists to seasoned woodworkers, this tool quickly proves itself as a must-have for any workshop. If you're looking for a high-performance Forstner bit that combines precision, durability, and ease of use, the Seneb 101.6mm carbide Forstner bit is an investment you won't regret. Transform your projects with professional-grade results every time. Number 2. The Evolution Power Tools EVAMS 1 miter saw stand is a versatile and efficient solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its compact and folding design ensures quick and effortless setup, storage, and transport. The folding legs and support arms slide seamlessly into the stand, making it easy to use and store in tight spaces. With a robust construction, this stand supports workpieces up to an impressive 118 inches in length and can handle a maximum workload of 330 pounds, ensuring stability for heavy-duty tasks. The quick-release mounting brackets are a standout feature, allowing for swift miter saw removal and reattachment, which saves time and enhances productivity. Height-adjustable arms equipped with rollers and end stops enable precise and repetitive cuts, adding to its practicality for large-scale or intricate projects. Designed to fit all Evolution Power Tools miter saws and compatible with most other brands, this stand offers exceptional versatility. Whether you're tackling large workpieces or need reliable support for repetitive cutting, the EVAMS 1 combines convenience, durability, and performance. It's a well-crafted tool accessory that simplifies workflow, making it an excellent addition to any workspace. Number 3. The WorkPro 476 pieces Rotary Tool Accessories Kit is a comprehensive set designed to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned rotary tool users. Packed with 476 pieces, this kit is ideal for cutting, sanding, grinding, carving, polishing, drilling, and engraving, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of DIY projects. The first part of the kit includes 228 sanding papers, 56 sanding bands, 2 flap wheels, 58 standard cutoff wheels, 36 heavy-duty cutoff wheels, and 10 fiberglass cutoff wheels, among other essentials. It also features a diamond cutting wheel, a variety of brushes, brass, steel, nylon, felt wheels in multiple sizes, and a polishing compound, providing everything needed for fine finishing tasks. The second part of the kit includes grinding points, diamond grinding drills, grinding stones, and rubber polishing tools, along with an assortment of HSS drill bits and collets in various sizes. It is compatible with most rotary tools, including those from Milwaukee and Dremel, ensuring seamless integration with your equipment. Each accessory is made from high-quality materials, ensuring precision and durability. With its detailed instruction manual, this all-purpose kit simplifies complex projects, empowering users to bring their creative visions to life with ease. Number 4. The Bosch 30-piece carbide-tipped wood router bit assorted set is a reliable and versatile choice for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. This universally compatible accessory set is designed for precision, durability, and multi-purpose use, making it an excellent addition to any workshop. Featuring 30 varied bits, this set covers a wide range of applications, from soft and hardwood to wood composites. The micro-grain carbide tip design ensures smooth and precise cuts with exceptional wear resistance, delivering consistent performance even in demanding projects. The anti-friction coating reduces residue buildup, promoting cleaner cuts and longer tool life. Convenience is a priority with this set, as it comes in a durable plastic storage case that keeps the bits organized and easy to transport. Whether you're working on finishing touches or intricate details, these router bits provide the precision and reliability needed for professional quality results. Ideal for routing, shaping, trimming, and more, this Bosch set is a dependable solution for a variety of woodworking tasks, offering both versatility and lasting performance. Number 5. The Milescraft 1318 DrillMate Portable Drilling Guide is a versatile and practical tool designed to enhance precision in drilling tasks. Whether you need to drill straight or angled holes, this adjustable guide provides unmatched accuracy and ease of use. Its compatibility with all 3/8" and 1/2" inch cordless drills, along with the included 3/8" capacity chuck with a key, ensures it can handle a wide range of projects effortlessly. This portable drill press offers multiple angle settings, allowing you to set precise drilling angles at 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, and 90 degrees. It's perfect for tasks requiring angled drilling or working on the edge of a board or round stock. The centering channels integrated into the base accommodate round stock up to 3 inches in diameter, adding to its versatility for carpentry, woodworking, and home improvement projects. Built for durability and functionality, the Milescraft DrillMate combines portability with robust performance, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this drilling guide ensures consistent and accurate results, even in complex or challenging drilling scenarios. Number 6. The Kreg KMA 2900 Multi-Mark Multi-Purpose Marking and Measuring Tool is a versatile and reliable solution for various woodworking and measuring tasks. Made from durable alloy steel, this tool is perfect for trim work, setting reveals, laying out mitered corners, transferring measurements, and more, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Featuring 3 scale configurations, the multi-mark can be set to standard, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees positions, providing flexibility for a wide range of applications. Its dual measuring systems with both imperial and metric markings ensure that measurements are straightforward and precise, catering to diverse project needs. Compact and easy to handle, this tool simplifies complex measurements and layouts, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're working on intricate woodworking projects or everyday tasks, the Kreg Multi-Mark ensures accuracy and efficiency, enhancing the overall quality of your work. Number 7. The FastCap Woodworking Bundle is a comprehensive solution designed to enhance safety, precision, and efficiency in your woodworking projects. This bundle includes a safety saw push stick and a 5-pack of zero-clearance tape, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. The safety saw push stick is engineered to keep your hands at a safe distance from saw blades while providing excellent leverage and control. Its ergonomic wishbone design ensures a comfortable grip, making it suitable for guiding workpieces of various sizes. By reducing the risk of dangerous kickbacks, this push stick significantly improves safety during operation. The zero-clearance tape, supplied in convenient 2-inch by 16-inch strips, enhances the precision of your cuts by creating a snug fit between the saw blade and workpiece. Its easy application and compatibility with table saws, miter saws, chop saws, and more make it a versatile addition to any workshop. Manufactured from durable, high-quality materials, this bundle ensures consistent performance and long-lasting reliability. Whether you're cutting intricate pieces or large work pieces, the FastCap Woodworking Bundle prioritizes safety and precision, expanding your woodworking capabilities while promoting a safer, more efficient working environment. Number 8. The Win's 6-inch quick-release track saw clamps are a practical and reliable accessory for enhancing the performance of your track saw system. This set includes two 6-inch F-clamps designed with precision and ease of use in mind. Featuring durable 0.45 by 0.195-inch bars and a 2.3-inch throat, these clamps deliver secure and stable support for a variety of cutting applications. The squeeze grip triggers ensure maximum security, holding your materials firmly in place during operation, while the quick-release buttons allow for effortless installation and removal, saving valuable time and effort. These clamps are compatible with all Wind track saw systems and boast a universal design that fits most track saws on the market, making them a versatile addition to any workshop. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Wind clamps provide the stability and support needed for accurate, clean cuts. Their sturdy construction and user-friendly features make them an essential tool for achieving precise results with your track saw. Number 9. The Gresk 9.5-inch wood chisel set is an excellent choice for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering precision, durability, and comfort. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium (CRV) steel, these chisels feature an impressive hardness rating of HRC 58-62, providing enhanced wear resistance and minimizing deformation or breakage for extended service life. Each chisel is equipped with a sharp and precise beveled edge, honed and buffed for immediate use on various types of wood, including softwood, hardwood, and laminated wood. The set includes 4 chisels with cutting-edge sizes of 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, each with a total length of 9.5 inches. The comfortable 4.8-inch beech high-impact handles are visually appealing and highly durable, capable of withstanding hammer impacts without deformation or cracking. For added convenience and protection, the knife edges are coated with rust-proof oil and fitted with protective tips. The set comes in a transparent storage pouch, ensuring each chisel is securely placed to prevent movement, scraping, or damage during storage and transport. This chisel set is a reliable and high-performing tool for precision engraving and woodworking tasks. Number 10. The Milescraft 4012 Square Clamp Kit is a must-have tool for woodworking projects requiring precise 90-degree clamping. Designed with an 8-inch by 8-inch durable body, this right-angle clamp ensures stability and accuracy for creating clean and secure joints, making it ideal for a variety of woodworking applications. Featuring a robust CM lever handle, the clamp provides maximum clamping force and locks firmly in place when fully engaged against your workpiece. This ensures a reliable hold during operations, enhancing both precision and ease of use. The wide TPE clamp pads offer additional protection, preventing slipping and marring and maintaining the integrity of your materials. The Square Clamp Kit also includes 3/8-inch fence clamp holes, enabling compatibility with fence clamps for versatile clamping styles. Whether you're working on frames, cabinets, or any other right-angle assembly, this adjustable positioning square delivers the durability, functionality, and flexibility needed for professional results.